you ready? I'm pulling up now. Girl, get suited up.
And all these drugs, they be betting all us calling plays out the books. Little bit of prayer, hard work, that's all it took. All I want, W's and bankrolls, that's all I want. All I want, that's all I want. W's and bankrolls, that's all I want. Hey, all I want is money, power, respect, though.
Hi guys, welcome to my life, my world, my everything. How you guys doing, girl? I'm gonna show you how I got this looking like this, and we will be back to talk about it. We will be back.
Morning comes at night. I don't understand. You and I so different now. We are always on the edge. Hearts are open wide. Different yet alike. You and I so different now. We are always on the edge.
We're gonna talk about this. So this is Outre lace front deluxe. The wig name is Addiston. The color is DRFF4 Golden Honey. Sorry if you hear the background noise. My AC's on. It is hot. Okay. So we're gonna talk about this unit. So this wig came as a middle part wig. I didn't like the way it looked like. It looked like from Wednesdays from the Addams Family. The hair was just, I don't know, I didn't like how it was looking. So I made it into a flip over side part. Okay, so it's kind of annoying me because I didn't get to perfect it the way I wanted to perfect it. So I did blow dry it to make it a little bit flatter, so the main part is like not like showing at all. I flipped it over. I did layer it a little bit, and I wish I didn't use the wax stick because it's giving it like this demarcation. Like it looked like it's like light skin right here. So I wasn't feeling that. I think next time I should have just left a little bit of my real hair out and just put it a little bit behind my hairline. The color is amazing. Everything about this wig is nice. I love the thickness. I love everything about it. It is a T-part wig, so you don't have a lot of space to manipulate and do all that. If you're a baby hair type of person, I feel like this wig is a perfect type of wig to do all those baby hairs and loop-de-loops and, you know, side part, whatever y'all be doing. But this wig is a cute wig. I think it's really pretty. It is affordable, you know. It's a cute bob summertime wig. It's really cute, it's really cheap, it's really affordable, and it's really easy. This is a plop and go. You can make this a glueless wig. I don't do glueless because you don't know. Somebody got beef with me and snatched my hair. Alright, don't worry about it. But I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? This is a really cute, easy summertime plop and go. But I really don't really have much to say about it. The color is everything. It is big head friendly. It's a cute wig. You know what I'm saying? I know this is one of the newer wigs. I do have another wig coming. I think it's from Outre as well. That kind of has the same color blend as well. I think that's going to be my next wig. So you're going to be seeing a lot of blondes. I don't notice how much I gravitate to blondes. I think that's like my safety color. So you're going to be seeing a lot of blondes. And I have this red wig. Woo! I'm telling you. But anyways, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me how you feel. Tell me if you're gonna buy Addison. It is a cute, yacky, like pretty. If you really take your time and manipulate and flip and, you know, try to make it your own, these wigs are flawless. You could be looking better than these girls with the human hair wig. I be getting more attention with these girls with their little human hair wig. You know what I'm saying? Okay? Alright? You could be the life of the party. Alright? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, sis. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Gotta get the cake. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new. This ain't